Yes, all day long. It's Thursday. Hey gang, Puppy here. This is the penultimate video in the rotary table calibration rings series. Since this is bench work I need to do, and this is the best available bench, here we go. Now, I need to put a new point that I can move around, or at least, anyway, I found this, and it's sort of magnetic, but you know, this is a piece of scrap. So I went, that's right, I went for the industry standard. Okay, now, here's the part. You see? Flattened it out, made a nice black point on center line even. Hey, yeah. Okay, now we take this one shot silly adhesive. Whoa, you notice how he managed to almost, but not quite, get up on a trademark. Now, put a little bit of this right here. Stand you over here. Okay. We'll let this sit for a minute. This is a little tool I just made. You know those plastic anchors you drill a hole in the wall and bang it in? Well, I took a pair of snips and I did some surgery. I circumcised it. Yeah, then I scraped off a couple of syphilitic lumps on the side. Oh. Yeah, okay, now, what I'm going to do...
And it really does stand out, Christy. Thank you for the comb. And you, I've heard you enough for one night.
And we've heard the wife. Okay, now. Oh, come on. No, you don't. Not yet. Let's do this a smart way. Come over here. There! Now we got some snugginess there. I need to come in like so. Not enough clamp. Force on the part. There! Yes, he does struggle like this a lot. And we put some of our silly adhesive here. And we take the other neodymium magnet. Hey, now we let this stuff sit. Gonna zoom you in here for a bit. Hey, there we are. Now I'm going to let you sit there and watch silly adhesive cure. Okay, now. Zoom out. These are sketches I've made for phase 2, right, for phase 2 of my caliper project. Remember this? Well, this is for thought exercise for the clamp-on version. I've decided it's not only going to clamp on and give you the internal measuring feature, it's also going to increase the length of your jaws so that you can measure bigger holes if you got short jaws. Gonna lengthen them. Wow, it's been 5 minutes. This should be cured by now. Goodbye. And now, as you see, there we are. Nice black point to point at 0. 2 neodymium magnets to hold it to the casing of my rotary table above that little point of the shear line put there. I don't have to touch it. So you can stop screaming about, you moved the shear line pointer. No, I didn't. I'm making a new 0. Why not make a new 0 pointer? 2. Yeah. Uh-huh. Well, that's going to be it for this until I go out in the shop and I put a piece of hex stock and that 3-jaw chuck attached to the rotary table and show you how nicely I can make it line up. Good night from California.